Welcome everybody to Public Report official channel. Guys, this is Sweepstakes part 1 and 2. Guys, remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, enjoy the movie to the fullest. Remember to go over America TV, go like, share, comment.
How you do?
Oi,
Remember Bulby, represent Bulby 101. Go over there, go share, like, and subscribe. I want to you. I don't know what her. So she stay.
You have to stop doing something there. No?
To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
Me step out of jail yard. Sun hot on my face, but my heart still cold. Family house full, but nobody really glad me home. Sister turn her back on me, say she tired of the shame and disgrace. Auntie say, hold your head up, my youth, but the past still call me name. A scamming business, feed we belly, pies and whistle. Scamming business, money come fast, but freedom slow. We hustle together, but we fight like enemies. Same blood in our vein, yeah. Still chained by the scamming business. Daddy teach me the road them before me even learn right from wrong. Say son, this is how we survive, but survival turn to prison song. 5% of me sweat, yeah, while them live big and free. College fee due tomorrow, but jail cell wait for me. A scamming business, feed we belly, pies and we soul.
Around 20 minutes, Mr. Danyasa. And 20 minutes, Mr. Danyasa, you're the on phone like, me not exist, none at all.
No, girl, not like that. That's what we don't want deep conversation and I have to listen to what they must say. Because me can analyze and me just go listen to the voice note and just put on your phone. But anyways, where they going with?
And I think a rough life easy. Kinda beat out right now because I will leave her at my daughter in shop today. Because I not clean up from something I just want cleaning.
Oh, so you know go and fear today, right?
Yeah, me make one look up. Me make $1 still, you know. Make
Okay.
something.
Well, I have to
God
give
bless
thanks.
what me make.
I have to give thanks for life. So, I can't see a girl. I can't see you can't even say me can live when you could see me in the shop and go and check me. Me not see you much months now me not see you.
You always up on the road. You're up, down, all around the world. Remember saying scammer man and David, you know. Scammer man not stay one place, you know. They have to move. They always up on the go. I got to go. I can't stay here. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so sometimes it don't make no sense. Me make somebody go in the shop and then 2 times I come in the yard, I in the yard. So it don't make no sense me continue to do that.
Alright, let me tell you something. Basically, I have this type of boyfriend. You see, if I decide I don't feel good none at all. So you see, everywhere we go always want me to decide I. But are you if you call the shots, girl, and say, maybe I have one girl's days out or whatever. Yeah, call the shots and say, maybe I have one girl's day out or whatever.
So when me call you for a girl's day out now, you there Kingston. And you now come down to we are next week. And suppose at that the time that me have money, and be time you come down your money don't so it don't really make no sense again.
You don't worry about money. You don't worry about money, girl. You know if you're not happy, me I go always happy. You understand? So if I say you call me there at town, that's why I say we have to make plans first. So if you know so if you go somewhere you want to go Friday, you tell me like call Wednesday. So I know so I do what I do. I do what I do in this time and then I know say that the day me go have somewhere to go.
And one thing me have to say, you know, if you do that scam my money hard, I would never do a scammer, man. Because why?
Why you would do a scam, man?
I'm gonna tell you something. Me your friend. Because school we grew up with each other in the same part. You know, but if you tell you the truth, as a friend, as a scammer man, it's just for a period of time. Everything might good now, you know. But you see later down, trust me, in a normal life, I'm gonna take a toll pound now.
Like, basically, I said I'm going to take a real turn, Pawi. I'm going to make you understand this now. And every scammer think is same. And every scammer put their money to use. You understand? Alright. You realize that some scammer make some money and then go buy bike. I just buy it, they want to invest in it. Alright. Check your ratio now. When they start ride up your bike, cause some of them fussy now. What you think happen to them after? Words on the bike. Is that they crash? Police start torment them, take away the bike, and one bag of things. Let me tell you with my boyfriend now, my scammer boyfriend. I mean, I really want to address him in a that kind of way. So you see, my baby, him put fee money to use, and him not fussy. Him not even to go past certain ends, go enough for himself. Alright. So one party I keep Wednesday. Me and him sitting and we say, B, what if we do? We supposed to get a party or go support them and spend 30 minutes and then come back over here. I saw my boyfriend think. I saw him pre-life. Him not say I'm gonna make one bag of money and take the money, go do all kind of things out the road with it. Or him go with him friend, them gonna go shop. No. So you see, me understand what you say. But my boyfriend, him understood the assignment. And I have to give him that. Understand? So I not say what I do right. But I don't like say I kill nobody. I'm not kill nobody. I'm just a try to make a way out. So respect for what you tell me, say, but my boyfriend, he's not like the others. You understand?
Me understand what you say, you know. But you know, I can't come and stay with that so. But me and your friend, me know you take this the wrong way, you know. It's just that me care about you and me always look out for you as a sister. Even though we're not blood sister, but me still have to look out for you because me don't want nothing to you.
No, girl, you're good man. You're good man. Me don't know why, but me not, honestly, me don't know why you even said that out your mouth a while ago though.
So what?
Say, me don't want me your friendship and baby. Listen, you know me from a longer time. You see from me say loyalty, and that me work with. So, me not too big, me not too young, for you can sit me down and say something to me and me feel a way about it. You understand? Me have reasonability, so you don't have to think the way there again. Because just like me would have said the same thing to you. Me could have turned to you and say something to you and I say, you know, say such and such. Me would want you to understand and interpret the right way if me not get it the right way. Understand? So don't worry about that, my friend. Don't worry about that. As me say, you're my boyfriend. Good. You know, see how me I live.
As long as you're alright, you know, and you're happy, you're comfortable, that's fine by me. You understand? Oh boy, for you see me I draw my words them you see how me look at everything you can see it's me tired. So you're gonna take me leave you know. Cause true you say you're there one me say me have to take the time to come look for you cause long time I don't see you, you know.
Yeah, I tell you.
Cause you do road.
But it's alright, just
Oh, by the way, remember some fish fire come up, you know. But nobody said me I take this as advantage. I have to scam out man, but on the day them want to come scam out the bar, you know.
don't worry yourself,
Support
man.
the bar, you know, I can buy all for food, then I pick carry to them, you know.
Alright, don't worry yourself, man. Alright.
Yeah man, big up yourself later.
Walk safe.
Yeah man.
Why should I use you know?
You did that with father.
So I do up on the game again. See so. Yeah, man, rock them.
You don't see your boy?
No, so them on there, bro, on their own a turf there, you know. But see, I am all like a piece of food, you know, so I am a get a bigger piece, so nothing.
Boy, me all pre-film style team, you know.
Yeah, me all that talk for this.
Cause you know, dog, them man they never really fought on the block, you know, dog, when that cheese in them pocket, you know.
I tell you like a thing like a day.
Bad man, oh, yeah, light a teeth, no bother with that.
You can't buy 10 lights,
What me
you
test?
can't buy a pack of
Yeah,
lights,
cause me know
you
your
can't
cashy.
buy all the lights
I know your cashy, man. You have to deal me so. You have to deal me so course. You know, no cashy, man, but I say fear boy. Yeah. You know, too love him emotion, dog. Cause right now, you real youth for them, man, dog. Cause see, they are up on the block, save me, dog. And a normal out and stay so, dog. But no care what go on, brother. I never see them on the circle back the block. When he clear food and stay so, you know, dog. All the time, them man, they link up and when film think them get problem, you know.
I know that.
And fee money can't clear, you know, my
I know,
friend.
so all the look about dog just show me the place and see me up on them on the block, so they like, I'm on them boy, they from over swallowing.
Which boy?
You want them
They waste man them from down here, sir.
Yeah, man.
She same thing, man, tell her dog. Some of them are no fool you. Some of them are done shred me tell a friend when that, I say, I say it here, dog, come you. Come the one of them took dog, actually even know me pray the boy, you know, dog. You understand?
What are we one, brother? You're supposed to start praying, though.
Right now, you're not trade even know, dog, because the boy then deep is a business to see me, dog. And every time, film, I'm sure, I say anything in Singapore with dog, we always deal 100%, dog, no buck shuffle, dog.
So different. Also, about the people them when you go, sir, you never get no food, what are that?
Come like you just pick up on me, like you just pick up on me forward after. If you get my child, sure. I man, they love them man if you go grow and use them, my friend. Dog, watch them man, they have big old bees park up around there, dog. Right now, see, this a piece of food I just reach. I prefer buy one bike and license it and go and come see dog and stay so.
Bike, you
see me?
Right now, come out a bike, girl, brother.
Yeah, but you have bike, me now, say a foot me I use.
Yeah, man.
Me just go in a bike, girl, them man, they have, but man, more than one can buy BCS, but the man, them not do the thing right, bro. So
Right.
fear boy not do the thing right, bro. Cause I know some never shot it, you know. And him can't say me shot him, you know.
Watch. You see, if it's a fool up online, if you don't make you get to, you have to get a problem.
Brother.
Sister,
Well, what you not hear me say? You swear that's a while ago, adapt me the meds.
look here.
But me like you said before me, the show say me up on the same page.
Oh, man, you're
Cause some man retain that.
yo, I don't know levels, bro. I'm glad so you link up as well. It's alright. It's like, you see.
No man, but just go and watch him stay, cause as I said, all away at one still no dog, all away forward from far no dog. Watch no dog, can't make some man a drain energy so brother. I get back a light that to dog, cause you have 10 bomb light out like yours.
Company
Watch
like
man.
But different though. What do you think that your man that are there now? I page him.
You know, so when I time I pray, but it's to me feel now. We go page him now.
Yeah, no.
Vibes are gonna bring him dog, so we make it cool off us dog, you see me?
Yeah, man. I watch him too.
And I'm pray for lift up this dog right now, make it a circle in front, me I pray.
I say, yeah, you know what, I should.
Why them come down from Senti, what they my boy?
Wow.
What?
Can you see a drink tonight then?
You know man, you know first time.
Yeah, man, go man. You can come from again with it.
Yeah, my brother. Bad man, you know how long me not from here in a real life? No, sir. From the time they tell me a thing, brother, you me a wait for cause what I remember say, you know, nothing too going for me right now, one construction, what me just done deal with now, my yo. Just mix up some concrete and something and just take a beard and say me a get a shot, cause me not really understand, cause from the time they tell me say, yo, risk and thing. I wonder where they pan now. You say everything active and now, basically I can jump in or what? Yeah. Where's the link up? Bad man, I know how long I wait for you so you change up your things certain way. Yeah man. Cause right now all what I see two girls, the first thing them say me broke and I not no money and a scammer man them love. And you see true, me ain't scammer. I couldn't do nothing, me share, me have to hold me head straight, but I want to change up the game and now when they see me them have to look for me good. Yeah. What time, so my brother? 4 o'clock. Jaja God. Alright, watch out now. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, now say 40 then. 3 o'clock. Me a call link you 3 o'clock sharp. Which part? Hot chocolate or mumsel. Alright. We are portal man, hot chocolate or mumsel. Alright. Even yeah, alright. Alright.
General.
Yeah, my bro.
Yeah, bro.
So me there, I'll build up and look out and do. Pop out as my star.
Real nice. So, what say I link about now, cause when
Boy.
you show up, me have to forward right away, you know.
Yeah,
Me have
man.
some little errands to do, you know. I got
Well, you know, say, why I'm not, even you check for me early and still now. I'm so busy. I'm going to grab a little spliff. You know, so I can't hold it up with them.
that cool.
Good with more than I decide to do. Knock up your brain. You know I go. Hot in your brain. So, different still. I hear all the good chat, you know. Because that piece of food that we chop out here. You give my boy something out there, sure?
Yeah, man, a perfect cut, man.
Sure. I know see you on the block said you something now. You 1 and 2 shot and make you know. I nothing good, you know. But I nothing bad either.
Well, listen, you see, what I think I want to understand. I don't want to feel like because I'm not flexible and spin off certain things and do certain things. You know, we too know. I'm going to say we start from
Nah,
the
man.
level era. So
Watch out. See it. You even said that, you know, and that me I talk about. Me I talk about. Look, what are we there for hungry days? What are we there for money days? Said you see what I say? Yeah, follow up the road too much and I link click with too much, man. You see? Right now, you want that spliff? Because me really need to sit down and reason. Me turn up so I chat right now. I sit down more me I sit down and read it.
You know, me really pressure you with. Me not say ropes.
Yeah, I slip out of this. Okay? Just get it, you know. Hot. At least I don't want to say. Look at again. And then say, hot, brother.
Terrible.
Is this, sir?
Bump and scout.
Is it?
A real time.
I just pull up on a block and just because of that, I say thing, man. I say, oh, what a sample, man. I say, oh, what a sample. Mad, don't you?
I take a one split because I don't want to say, boy, you offer me. I'm going to get you. You know what I mean?
I know I'm all proven.
Yeah.
Take one look one.
Yeah.
Put this on my pocket.
Yeah, put it this.
But what me I say though, long and short is this. You all out for there on good terms. Me know, cause me tell you see one thing to you see if you not come and say certain thing to it, we can't know what go on. Cause if you move sideways, me in my brain I say alright, in switch, I go so. And bro, remember saying you know certain things about we, you know.
No, man, listen. Hold on.
Me talk no man.
Make it talk.
Me talk no man. Remember say you there, you know.
Yeah.
You know the ins and the out. So, I know you can't link with certain man. You can't link with the enemy certain. Although we're not an enemy, because our enemy is dead. But, me I say, you can't link with competition. You see style. Because I say them the man there, you know. I say client, where the boom bang right, and them the man that they jag with the client there, you know. And me say, them the man they are rolling.
Yeah, man. And I roll with. That's why I stop it from this and I roll with. In a heel a nigga, that means you're with a nigga. So straight and plain those healings. You understand me? But most time when people say you was a star, you know, or you was a youth where, you know what I mean, in the streets where I make it, then we claim me and say, boy, yeah, me and them a roll. But from you understand, say,
but still not
just a heel. It's a heel, man.
Still not trust it.
Just a heel and then guess what? The conversation when supposed to be a minute and it be 5 minutes, but it's a heel. You understand?
So I not trust you. Because if a man can see his head pray and come to me and I say, that means either something goes so or go close to some.
Well, that's true still, but as I say, you know, close to it or you know go so.
Right now we need to have all of meetings, said we. We need to link bad dogs, said they make bad dogs. Because I'm tell you, say, you know, I'm not easy for pre-corrupt, you know. But you know, that me. You don't know about the rest of man them. Because remember say if police go so booms now hold you have information from the whole away.
I understand. But as I said, don't pray that way there.
Make a weak link.
Listen to me,
make a chain, bro.
Don't pray that way there.
Yeah. So you know how that go.
Yeah.
So how you go on differently? Because a good one, I not stay a long time in a reason.
And that man, that's what I try to share. So when you shout me, I have to run up, me have to ropes and answer really thing.
Yo, me have a ride, me see you switch up train a car. From that piece of food they jack down, bro, me not see you.
What
What you plan for do?
Alright, now I'm planning for you to buy a car and buy a, just buy something better, comfortable.
Watch out, don't put in your name, though, you know.
Hmm?
Don't put in your name. You know if feds don't stay.
Not that true,
Yeah.
Not that true.
You best you put all in your woman name.
Mm-hmm.
Put in your woman name, man.
Mm-hmm.
Remember go and put all around sometime too.
Not true, man. I
Yeah,
game.
man.
I game, you know.
You know a game.
I game.
I say a game set, bro. When you put in your woman name, you know say that that's safe.
Not true. A good advice you give me.
What's good advice? You know what I mean? Now you know wrong advice, my bro.
Respect that, man. I swear to God. You know what I mean?
Remember saying, that's why I tell you, say, you see, you fox, you not link up. Why not my brain, you're out there, the crap. You're out there, the food in it.
You know. I say I leap and, as I say, long and short, me personally, I say to myself, say,
Yeah.
because I'm sure me not do nothing. From sure, say, my road straight, me not really worry about certain things. But you're right, me have to link up and make, the whole crew knows everything go on.
We have to know how going.
All right, so you make a do. I touch your road, and thing,
So, when you say that job? When you say that job?
I organize it for next week.
Next week?
Yeah, because some brand shipment. You know what I mean? Shipment. Yo, we shall get it. Yes, sir. All right.
Rich a lie. Brother, go on in badness, I know.
Yeah, boss, you saw the sun hot, man, and then hot sun, you call me up on, man.
Nah, man, you are going, you have to understand, say, work. We can't turn off the sun. You know what I mean?
No,
Natural cause. But you know,
Mm-hmm.
as me say, I really want somebody I can trust, and the only person I can trust. You understand me? I say trust. I mean, say, money I make. And when money I make, so people kind of think one certain way and get corrupt and all them something there. And, I want you to know, say, boy, I trust you. You know what I mean?
I understand.
Yeah, because as I say, for your role now, I just feel make sure, say, everything, secure. And no man is an island, no man stands alone. You know that's something there.
Yeah, I know, but you know, but I don't really that me want to know still now when me fall in, because I wait how long, man.
All right.
And I want to know much percentage you make me know. Because I remember say me young, I'm fresh in that thing, I don't know
that man, that's why I'm sure you say right now, the more you work, the more you make. But remember, say it's not what you work, or what you save. You know what I say?
Me understand.
You drink rum?
No, sir.
You smoke?
No, sir.
Alright, that's very cool. Because for you know, say, do them something that you will prosper in that business. Yo, it's coming business and one normal thing, bro. So you can't follow them, what them do for them things. But then go...
No, I can't follow them. Remember, you bring me in a game,
Exactly.
So you have to watch the thing from and learn. Because right now, you teach me the code right now, And you are going to teach me sauce, say, alright, watch I know. Things are going to happen.
Because you know, I say money I make.
So I a head chef now in a kitchen, my friend. So I have to take care of all his staff and so forth.
That man, so I tell you, say, you don't have to worry about the role where you play. Remember, say, Fran, me say, business and you secure a certain way, you don't have to worry about money. Me is a man where I say, boy, yo, I'm a woman and, like, money I make I know, so I want somebody who I can trust, as I said before, and I just said it. You understand what I say? But I make your see what I go and I get there. Money I...
Boss, me not like you, No, for me, I walk from up the hill. I look on 5,000 if you could give me if you go down.
I say don't worry about money, man. You worry about money for?
Me
can't make a foul.
Look money me go work today, Look money me work today. Me take by nice clothes, because I know say from link up with a different ball game, I don't want to look shaky or type thing.
Nah, man, you're good, man. Listen, man.
Yeah, man.
It's not like I want face card thing. I want thing where, we are secure money. You hear me say? And about looks and rate, so you can't follow them.
Boss, so you try to tell me say, so I can't wear my dirty ugly clothes them then.
I don't say dirty ugly clothes because we are decent you.
Yeah, that
forward, man. Alright. I'm gonna show you what I got. See?
Alright, boss.
Alright.
Why take it so long?
Boy. Man, me not joke. Me new general,
Okay, hi.
Man, Bulby, Pinky, you know what I mean? But yo,
Nice to meet you.
soon talk, yeah? Alright. So
Nothing.
everybody know it's like me I try me not trust you don't work with. I mean to not trust them, I say them not do nothing. But it's a based on the fact I'm not really party. I'm gonna go certain places and know at some point I'm gonna pray that. Cause I make money, I'm secure, I'm gear and ready to become like some boy. Them don't really like that something. So I'm now go take no check certain way more as money if you can, you know? See what I go on, extra eyes.
So, you trust him?
Alright. I'm gonna go G from country, man. You know what I do? Cause it's like right now I'm gonna tell them I need somebody I can trust, me extra eyes. You understand me? I say, I good youth man, you know smoke and you know drink. And them the things that's stuff you have to, you know, identify within a person and in character.
Me? Listen, tell you the honest truth, you have to know what you do. Because money build friend and it break friend. I will want to call them, carry them in, and then let them back out. You understand? So you have to know what you do, be.
I know man, that's me tell you.
And then I realize, say, before you start make money, some of your friends them will use to power up and all, they know they run you again.
Yeah, because
right?
surface.
So, this a friend who you see you trust 100% your Alright.
I tell them I youth from country, people change, you know, cause I youth where and grow up and things kind of set away. I'm not sure about the 5 years I'm not see him still, but he's saying I smoke and you know drink. You understand? So you have to worry about certain things. Cause you don't, you know, my version internet see me not really and flex certain way. Then we pray me, I mean know that, but I'm a business brother part there. You know? But long and short, you don't know, say things get bigger now and I want to buy one car and so forth, but you don't know, so I can't put in a mind name. I want to buy a house and so forth, you don't know, so I just say falling. What do you think? That make sense?
Of course, that makes sense. No, me make this together, so when they ask me, what me think? Anything I say, Allah, you understand? But
I'm trusting a baby girl.
yeah, me trust it too, but
And a friend nothing to something.
one thing about me do, you need to keep one eye on the youth.
Good man.
You get me?
You understand?
No, I just a feeling when I get where I come in right now. You understand? I know some my girl that checked me. My girl that checked me yesterday, you know.
What a few friend then?
Yeah.
You know, so my pass I want now and then, but it's because your friend, my friend. You know, really, you know.
That
but
no
heal her a certain way.
Yeah.
I mean, I want you to feel like say, you know, thing where.
She checked me yesterday, man, and me and her did a reason and thing until she just take her little time go about her business.
But what she really has to like? When you go out again and thing, okay, you're busy with me, you're so busy with me.
No, be me, I told her so we can take one girls' day one at a time.
No problem.
You understand? So she has say, she just start looking for me say, why am I if you tell me Monday, I come Monday at your town? You are your man. So I just started there and tell her, I said, no man, I'm like that. Just tell me like, if we all go Monday, you tell me from we would have call, you know, be Saturday.
Saturday weekend.
Yeah. So what, me already?
In there, go come in.
I'm tired.
Yo, I'm soon forward, yeah. Yeah, man, I can't see this. Yeah, soon forward.
Man, I'm tired.
Money come fast, but you leave with a cost. Everything gained, but something lost. From the root where the loyalty starts, now it break everything apart. Curse of the lottery, curse of the prize. Make real people start pick sides. Yeah, used to walk road with nothing in hand. Now everybody watching and making plans.
Hello?
Trust disappear like footprints in a
Yes,
sun.
I get
Smile in your face, but
because you know if my call you not gonna hear me. Alright. Go on.
What happened?
What happened?
A long time ago, sir.
Not really.
Hmm?
Not really.
No, you wanna call me, take one little time before I come down the half 5 stairs.
That good.
I get look good though. Wow.
Thanks.
Come now, you're afraid of.
Oh, we are going. You never know.
Come like you're afraid of. Alright, you want to talk.
I'm gonna talk yourself now for going.
Yes, you want to talk.
Now for going.
So I can't believe that I have me yard and I have to tell up on my own gate.
Sorry.
What?
And then I hat.
Come,
Time hat, you know.
come, shit up me yard. So
Me there. To tell you the truth. I know, I said, when I come up here last night, when I feel no like when I go, I kind of feel uncomfortable. I never feel so good. I sleep and I sweat and I wonder, actually, I worry myself. I know, yes, last night when I said to you, say, but scammer man, and then look, they still feel away, because I wonder if you are pre me. In a no bad way. You know what they look weird about? Me just want for your safety. Me no want nothing for you. Me just want to say they're on the right track because I take care as a sister. So me just they feel very uncomfortable.
So hold on there, Franny. And that is still upon.
Yeah.
Girl, me tell us the last night so everything good. So where's the worry yourself about? Alright, here we go now. Right now, my baby I drop one new brand car, soon drop one new brand car.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and plus remember saying you have three of them when you have park up and thing. And you want to go drop one more again.
That's nice.
Yeah, so.
Feel man, I do a good job, but I drop so many cars and put none on the road.
If you do what?
If you put none on the road.
I may try to tell you, say, you see, so may I tell you about. You see, broke scammer. You see, wise scammer. Listen, my baby have 3 vaccines on the road. 2 are Juta and 2 they do taxi work. My baby have all what you call it, water truck on the road.
Juta and 2 do taxi work.
Juta 2 are. Listen, 2 and that. You know, listen, girl, because you get me confused now. Because I remember say that you go weird on the details about my man now, you know. So I try, listen, you see the one away I buy now? And the most expensive one I put in my name. So basically, everything my baby doing just put them in my name. You understand? Yeah. So you have to just, I tell you, you know, say, my scammer man, wise. A business head that. You understand?
I understand, but I don't really come off it up, but you're scammer man still. I just come off it know say you're not pre-me pan.
Yeah, but basically the same thing. Because of him was the argument about last night. Where you come off with the topic was about him, the scammer man. So me just tell you basically what they go on and you say, hope him put this. But anyways, yeah man, so where you say the plan is out?
No, I go up on my shop because I have some things to do in shop. Oh, you did fish fry, it push back. Reason being, we never get as much fish and I will leave a order me get. I'm not rush nothing, but I want to remember the date. I'm going to send a flies from my phone.
Girl, don't worry yourself, man. Don't worry about the fish fry. Don't worry about the fish fry.
I'm not worried.
Which, I never tell him nothing about it yet, you know. But him inside now, so I'm going to tell him. As soon as I go through the gate.
Alright, remember to tell him, come tell him from last night and look on the time now.
No, you're good, man. That's true. So, what? Let me be ready and make love, girl. I never remember nothing about that. Come.
That's not my business.
Alright, so I may tell us I never remember nothing about that.
Alright, then later.
Yeah.
Call her for nothing.
She just like give me one weird vibes, I know.
One signal I work in the house star.
Baby. Yeah, must have fast be.
Mama, that's something like David now. I want to go. You good?
Well. Before you go up on the road, I have something to tell you. So my same friend there, she keep on fish fry.
Mm.
And you know she go over to come and support her team.
How much part you keep?
So right around the lane, you don't know where she live.
I'm gonna say we don't really love tired certain place, you know?
Yeah, remember say she have the bar. The bar within her yard.
Oh, come on, never know how which friend, you know? Come on, just paying. You know, here as a friend.
Oh
you
no
know.
man, it's my thick friend man her come check me. Not the
Okay.
slim girl, the thick one.
Babe, me I tell you, you're a slim girl. Yeah, something about it's alright. Forget about that. Yeah, man, me not really trust
What do you mean by forget? Wait.
You know, like certain things when me, you know, certain movements when me I see, certain things when me see, me not really, you know what I mean? A long time I want to tell about that and about me not really have a community of friendship and tell you who you can talk to because you're wise. You understand me I say?
Okay.
And you can feel stuff with your own energy, that's why I say if I want she. You understand?
Well, I told you from now before the fish fry keep. So where you see I make you go?
Yeah man, we can go man. We can go. We just organize up. A girl who can cook fish though.
Yeah, she can fry
Because
fish.
fish are sitting, you know, I can hot your belly, you know, man.
Be
Poison, you know.
relax
And
now.
something.
Alright, even if I don't want to eat the food,
Mm.
even if you don't want to eat, you just bite.
That's true.
You understand?
Support.
Yeah. I mean, know your style already, you go buy all 4. And you not eat none.
That.
But you know me love my belly already.
No, but
You
if you
come
not
as
cook
on
for
to
me, nah,
fish. Yeah, me know be, but if you support our thing, man, me can't just do that and not give you taste one piece of fish. I know they will be.
No.
Not just.
It is
So
what it is, man. I thought you already know. So you don't know anything, but I go forward back in a certain time.
keep safe, keep safe.
Love you, my baby.
Love you more.
Alright. Yo, my general! Ready?
Yeah, man. You know, I know the girl they do.
Mm.
Yeah, man, a long time. When they still doing a boss.
Me forget you know her from them long time.
Yeah,
But
a long time they still in the boss. Everything
man.
good though.
yeah, man, everything good, man. A good girl. You don't know anything. I don't really mess around with people. A joker. And play around and irritate. A good girl, man. She prove herself.
Oh, the girl
Yeah,
there.
man, she prove herself. Man.
Oh, come on, no boss, you ready, you know.
Right, cousin.
Wagwan.
How you doing, sir? Like a good thing I come and put it that. How long I see girl like you? Just don't get an phone, sir.
No man, I so me I try to finalize, you know.
Judge, I know.
Yeah.
I said that a long time, I don't see you be like you, my friend. I not tell a lie. A lie.
I no lie.
They are lucky and I go on the right and stay, sir.
Why?
So life a cheater, though.
If you tell her, to be honest, it a go on good so far still, you know.
Glad to hear that still, isn't it? No
Yeah.
lie. Because you know, they want like a soft-hearted little girl. They're very sorry for everybody in the time. Nobody really sorry for nobody these days, you know.
Not that true.
You see me? So
Yeah,
you know,
like
you
that,
have to just watch your heart, you know. I know say a long time we even link up, you know.
True,
So when you
man.
pray, you know, we have some style, you know. Believe.
Yeah, but you know, so me I keep on looking fish fry though.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
When?
man. Few days from now.
Oh gosh, man, cause man, I'm trying to say, yeah, I'm give me number. You know, shot me flyers in.
Yeah, man, me
What
do
the
that.
fuck?
So,
put
so
on
what
the band,
what go
phone,
on in your life? What kind of work you do and then look at something there?
You know, if we work, man, you know. You know, if we work, man, you know, if we style already.
Ah.
We cheat line, you know, nothing else. 9 to 5 an hour style, you know. I understand. 9 to 5 now I make a live my life, you know. And I big old 40 ball and I see myself a drive right now. 15 million, you know, man.
Speaking into belief.
So, I mean, you have to bang your line with bravery out here, I tell you that. Yeah, yeah, man, you have to work and believe and surely achieve, man.
That's true.
But know yourself, man,
But make sure
because...
so you have the right company around you. And make sure so you're not involved in no gun business, no gang war, me no want hear say nothing something there again.
You know, I said, oh, cousin, I was true, man, I'll rate you some time, I'll go show some level stuff. But actually, I don't really say, man, in no gang or no gun business, but actually, from them boy, they see they start elevating and make money, you know, and go pray, you know. So we have to make sure so we have a fire active, warm for them. I understand. Couch me now, you know. Young to what day dog, they make a little piece of food and 4 boy go buy a little jeep. I be a war man, them a pray for the ends, but all that little juvenile they start going with the same man, them mother send payments to we, so.
But why would I do a thing like that? Just
Yeah,
say that
show
again.
such a so I said to me a while ago. And that's what I try to tell and I say we want involved in certain things, but we don't know better. Because we have to protect full life, because we can't work hard and dead left for what we achieve.
But
I would even achieve nothing yet.
But I really want to ask you though. I really and truly want to ask you.
Believe, man.
These money where you're making, you put it to good use.
Oh, yourself about that, man, because
business.
the business not really started, you know,
Me no want to hear that. You know the amount of
So
money
kick off,
me
man.
hear say you make. And you want to tell me the business so kick off?
You have to live life now while you live alright.
You
know,
see,
some take your advice,
no. You know, say be a party in your brain and smoke. Watch there. Smoking.
Yeah, best
If
cushion
I
for
be like
buy,
you
man.
go build up one bar or you put one
$1,000
taxi
spliff
on the
in a
road, or you start up one food shop or some breakfast.
But that when I made tonight time to tell you truth, still not coming up, put like a restaurant on the front round there. So. You see me? Yeah, what member say, you know, a time to everything. You see style?
I'm gonna tell you something. Time do everything, you know, but this way you have, time will take it away from you as well.
Yeah, no.
So you know what you want, cause and all the time this is hot.
Where say man?
Sometimes it gone down low where you say, John, know if me did
God, I
know,
go provide, man.
me woulda do this or me woulda do that. Now wait till when it catch to if me did know.
Listen, man, I understand what you're saying, but I say, you know, this thing I see way, nothing is promised. See, I have to live like a bird. You say bird live, every day bird get up and does, every day bird eat. Bird never go in bed hungry one night. And the bird no store nothing, the bird just live. So I have to live like a bird and the bees and be free, man. You understand? But I'm take your advice still. I could have one liquor bar or something, man.
But
push
remember,
up on
grandma always say, who can hear, I go feel. You understand?
I don't feel like this thing, you see me, I'm saying, how long they have me done this run the morning, so. That's why you see me, I leave a circle back up as a friend in time they need it, you know, but a regular day still.
Just keep yourself safe.
Just know so I come pull up. When I say fry fish again.
Few days, you got my number, me send a poster.
So I must say my bad artist, you know. I put on the shirt, you know.
Yeah, man,
say, who I go out the thing, you know, because you see like you said this thing already. I know this is a thing I want to do for all our life, but you know, it's better than a 9 to 5 that because $15,000 a week now, do nothing for we, you know.
Sometimes, you know, boy, up to you, you know, me can't choose for you,
pound
you
for
know.
chicken right now. Look on that. Tell me true. I have to pay $1,000 every day for fear. Out of $15,000. And then $420 pound for chicken. I can't eat out of that.
Me understand.
So you know we have to do a thing, but no say music I real praise. So just pump on the show. We do not tell someone come shake you.
One new close.
Everybody say new to us.
Alright.
Believe no cause. Watch your style now, Zane.
Believe kill and believe kill.
More do I have to do, you know.
Yeah, man, later.
Time I get late, you know, I don't feel like a side there, you know, because them police want not to rate me up and need them, so. What do I feel? You see?
Yeah, man, I want taxi man me away pan for care something come give me
No,
later.
I'm still glad to see you still. So go and take care of yourself, yeah?
As always.
And keep out a problem, just like you tell me if you keep out a problem.
You ever hear some me in a problem yet?
No,
Man go on the ways there,
man.
man, and leave me alone, yeah.
It's a first everything.
Well,
Right.
there's no first for my one.
I hope so.
Later.
I hope so. Alright, listen.
Hello? Where they? Me there out so me some man, come.
Get up, man.
Yeah, man, look at you, brother.
They are roadside, all they do. How they are get to this. So I start.
Then they are still, they are roadside still.
Bro,
Like, me not
I'm
best
coming to us if I come chicken in time, but you know it's time. I must pull up now. Look here, I see me idea.
Watch out, look for this.
Yeah.
You know, like me have this. Me all I tell some stash done, run now, right? Stress out.
They have fun, you don't even know. Watch out.
Oh, yes,
Sir,
man.
can we make a bad circle
Brother,
for one
me
of my
tell you,
dog
say,
them?
And I'm lucky, I bless me. You have a good old
man.
kusha kasha come give me
If
now.
you have a friend like me, you must blows and
Brother, right
skirt
now,
less.
that's some work more I'm going to put in right now, my friend, and can't focus.
Takes it now tight right now and gears.
Yeah, man, okay, you know, say nighttime sheet, them hard to, you know.
All this, man.
Alright, just as a family, sir.
Hold on for that, man. I'm here, man. I know, say I say badness.
Let me tell you so that I have to go invest on something in your business, boy.
Invest in my business.
Your business is good.
You go on,
Like
man.
a good brother.
If you start, and I'm mad.
Yourself, man.
You see if I can
I'm just trying
distribute
to one of my cousins, them in the man, and them give me a liquor. But you know, fair for them style, no, but
Love that time, man.
but not even that more to about still. You know? Fear, you know, someone like a bird, it pinch me to a dog. Remember they come link me on the block where they see me one night there.
Yeah.
Make sure I pray.
Yeah. Oh, what that one there?
And like a birdie come tell me, say, yo, I knew man, they see my roll with a man of them didn't even know, you know. Some of the priests and them man, they all roll with import here right now, you know, we don't know about, you know. Such a man, my friend. The man, they have a migrant man with a deed.
Such a man,
yes, when men tell us, say, yo, we money they short, he come like a somebody else in my pay. I'm saying, I eat that, you know, my friend. I say, good school, the guy, you know. I say, rush it, high school, the guy, you know, my friend. And I like how much them are missing, you know, my friend, when they do a addition, you know. And we minus, you know, my friend. Such a dog. So, I find out, say, well, I cash your money, tell us they're missing up and we, or somebody else pocket they're going, we don't know about. And he come like, say, I feel him, so nothing but the boy. I take full money, my friend, I push for them agenda around there, so. So I try to show you, say, dog. I'm like, dog, you even know, brother. I say, this is what they give me right now. You got to make concentrate right now, because I find a strategy for them, you know.
Remember, say, all of you one link said, all of you friend, you know, bro.
I'm watching it. Yes, I understand what you're saying.
Watch
me away, sister.
You hear me, I tell you, bro.
Because I never tell you no foolishness, you know. So
yeah, tell me this right now, you not even know me, I met evil. Because, you see, before I pull up here, so, and the one place, I see that. No joke. You want to tell me, say, I buy all a car next week. You see his style? I don't know, go and come to thing, bro. So let me show you a pre now. No, in fact, say, show me all them the levels there, brother. And you tell me about import tea. And you tell me about new link. Brother, watch out. If man in a circle and we don't know about that man there, that hour. That's an imposter.
I mean, if I'm imposter, I know, I'm sure no, say, a boy they know about we.
Not even that. The man not show me them pre there. Oh, me and the man for link up. Second of all, I show him man certain levels said there, I show him say, yo, he might move like he might switch for anything and the man make me know say no. So you tell me this right now, you not tell me I'm very dark right now, brother.
I'm trying to share about you know. I don't see me the men's now, man, you know. But look on the levels, dog. Zane, look on the levels, remember say, you know.
Then
from
the
first time, you know, with the talk say, yo, everything I go share right, you know. One after the next. So they say, yo, you go buy a bike first.
Yeah.
Him buy a bike. Then me buy a bike. Remember say you buy a bike and the man cannot the thing and go buy a car. You tell me say man I go buy a next car now. And I know me I'm not praying a man thing and I'm a friend that.
The man say you get piece of food. That's the dog show me say you get
piece of food from who. You see daddy, you see same time. You see money, right? You see the same money around dog. But you ain't gonna take a deal for your business.
Yeah.
And tell us I get a piece of food the same day.
Yeah.
For that me I get no money dog.
No man.
Capping.
I check you go over right there.
A different business me they get pay half a right.
Brother, me if you have a meeting, brother, I say team thing and you say alright, you man connect. Like are you
make you feel like say me I'll end up upside there, you know, say me even like them place them bro. What make you feel me end up upside same city? Daddy I outsource man I feel try outsource cause me can't go hungry brother, you're mad. I'm tear dog, you're mad. Some people go see in there and feel like you can style in there.
Yeah, now move right and I talk. Watch
out. My friend, I'm saying now dog. Me see my cousin, me know say fish I go on my friend. There I got at least 1 5 backla each to lift up my friend. They tell me say that can't lay down my thing in the area.
Right now, I feel good.
Oh, because you're mad. I want nicest boss in a man. The first and the last in a man.
Look at that, look at that.
I'm tear man.
Look at the man. Remember saying that dog, we think no soft.
Watching about.
And one weak link in a chain. The chain weak.
It pop up. I'm not trying to share watching. I don't see weak link in it, but at the same time, we can make them get weak corrupt. Because we go lose focus at the matter, we now got to focus on the grind.
Not even know I expect to pre na dog. It's like in things I mean I go hear, because I'm there in the street, brother, I'm there in the street, I hear everything, despite our. Because if you never tell me this, I'm going to find out anyway, you know.
No, but you know, remember saying, you know,
and then I put up on them and one chat and start murder, the whole of them don't know. They say me evil.
And that match I share, so not but maybe in the try get into you, liquor, if try show you the craft for him hand. Because he told me see it. It's like him try take over, I think. I'm saying that, remember, you know, the dog them where they supply, he leads them to we, you know. Him remember saying,
I know,
him
brother.
deal it straight, you know. What you messing, man? You messing, man?
What kind of weed you have,
Listen,
bud?
listen to
You
me,
like
man.
you're mad?
Brother, listen to me, man.
Me say if you're mad, take over what?
No, you're not listen. I'm not saying can't take it over, bro. Me try to show you that the mentality was in the pants. So, you know, remember, I don't know, so you fully connect up, you know. So, not like you go can flick on you so easy, bro. So, certain things you go try keep in eye that, but catch you now.
Brother, your man come and link me, so you have to me say, it's like him make me know say you're a car job. So you know I'm a pre nothing.
So, you know.
So you have to, so I feel money I take a do with them.
You mention, might be fear money in it too. But no mind, no Friday if you tell us say I ain't buy a car for. Just look out and listen and he ain't gonna tell us say yo.
Yo,
I ain't buy a car.
we know say you don't tell lie.
Yeah, me tell her.
We know say you can't tell lie, brother.
Take off your sweets, man. My
We
friend,
know
but
say you
you
can't tell lie. I remember say when you just join the game, brother. It take you months before you can tell white people lie, brother. So right now you tell me I believe you 100% because I know say you not agree on the badness.
Sure.
I know say you not agree on the badness. I know say you not play with the thing, bro. I know say you loyal to your circle.
Alright, look at this, sir. I can know say I have a product and I go take this shine.
No, yeah,
spend my money, my friend.
I pull a program. I know you approach me and say nothing to him.
No, brother.
I deal with him low key. I see how long you want to take me to tell me.
What you remember saying we have him no know say. He say I'm sure no. He say left one take weapon. He no know say few thing past that, you know. And that I think say sometimes they say you have to play a fool to catch your wise. Catch you know my friend. Him no know say enough people my yap around. A people are so. So as he don't talk, my friend, we get all everything when chat up on a voice note. How them can link you and can show everyone down. So you know, just make him go and chat off him.
Different, you know. You see one name my wife up there.
Mm.
And I line them on point of car for a longer days, more rated than you know.
Tear for tear, man.
Eat time, man.
No matter of fact, even tear in a mansion. Can't come in and get them, man.
Yeah, it's blood.
Can't go down and get them, man.
Out there in the house and build me, I go knock you down.
Remember say, boy, go like him better than we, man. That boy. I back one hog stay one car go knock you, man. Sure, say, oh. One tear, man, you know we.
Yo, that little boy.
You know we.
Yeah, yo.
Alright.
My dog.
Man. But you know, say still. And like someone say, rain about. We don't go get a link. I'm going to make them get some sitting in. So if you want something, make you gain some fresh ducks in the car. Them want to go jump in.
I'm forgetting something new said there, but they're not reach it. Somebody go and run there when you think they'll time.
What you mean when they can't do right, man? Because jump in for the black, you know. Go and do right.
Well, you get to you forget now, bro.
Alright.
So anyway, go. I'm there and build up all the ganja stuff. Hold on.
Test the thing.
Wait.
Oh, yeah, I sit more.
Sick of my blows and scared. Yeah, I was like, I don't know. Go.
The chatting
We connect up, my brother.
Guidance panel. Big up yourself for the month. You hear that?
Cool.
Believe. Your father God, man. See it there? It me did that wait for the life.
Major discovery. Here we go
Hello.
again.
Yeah, man. So, it's a privacy me I call you. Search man up there.
But me never see money kill people. It's the love of money turn man to evil. So no blame the cash when blood starts spill. Money no bad, it's just how you abuse it. Some build life, some buy.
So, Alex.
Oh.
Long time for the assassin, you know, long more I can check you. Yeah, for your man, you know, when.
No, there.
I figure I'd come out today if in there. That's why I call a friend in time.
Well, in gone on the road. So where they going with?
I'm just say, go and check if you are going. So everything good different. What new? Nothing new.
No, nothing new.
Nothing new.
Nothing new for you.
But I know say a long time you have like a thing going for me. So you go and pretend like it, say. Yeah. See,
That's a long time. That's for a long time.
Oh, that alone, man.
I don't know. That's for a long time. But anyways, me and my man good.
Good how?
Yeah, I mean good how? Good overall.
Good how?
Right now, I'll buy one car put in my name.
Yeah, me have to tell thanks right now. Oh.
What am I tell you thanks?
I'll be telling him to do that. Yeah, must. You know say anything me say Allah. He come to me for advice despite our house me I make him buy next.
So you tell me to put
Things off. When I tell you some love you like that, you know, I respect you a long time. Not because me you can't read, but you know, I have to make sure you govern. But see always.
how would it hurt your feelings too?
What do you mean by what they hurt my feelings?
What hurt your feelings back at it?
Yo,
Hmm?
him no matter me.
Hmm?
I make sure say him be right. Spell it out.
Yeah, go on like saying I'm when I really in him though.
That's really chat.
So what happened different in me that ask you?
No man, I'm gonna pull off too much style. That boy they switchy. You see from the switch from the circle, anything you can get him have to take that. You know
What do you mean by anything you get you have to take that?
You must say, you don't pick your side already, you know. From here start, you can pick your side, you know. That's on my side. Yeah, and him just a chat. Just because. But say, him go and do your money, you know. I hold up money that boy, the teeth, you know. And I know saying we spending last for you. Him look at the moon and back. But you know, nothing know, say, I'm over here, so you're loyal to me.
My man not thief no money.
You go and protect him.
My man not thief no money at all.
You know where you man. Watch out.
So I don't know where they come with in the evening.
Watch out. Leave that alone. As long as the money are coming. Remember saying, you all away, you know. You all away been at the same game. Because you think if you thief your white man, you not go thief your black man too. You go on. Them boy don't believe in a loyalty. Me say one circle. But I have an idea. Him a link in the next circle.
Listen, lower your voice. You don't go on too much. Come on, know where up for your voice for.
Nah, man. Nah,
Eh?
man. Just,
Anyways.
certain things just hang on, man.
Anyways, you know a new soldier where my par with?
You live on the right track. And that more find out.
Let me ask you one question.
You know come from boy, I'm mad dog. Cause you know say, I can't grow and go so when you come to you. Cause I know say you're not going right. I'm mad dog, I show me certain levels. So tell me what going on now. What's wrong in the boat?
I went off from with me and see. I probably go 1 week now.
Hey dog, link me, you know, show me certain levels. I said just because you know you want to take off certain I know say yo. If you switch, you know, if me know say you switch like that, you know, I probably I'll do your man still, you know. Me not about chat.
I'm not very man, man. I know say I'm man.
Chat yeah, man.
Eh?
I just want to make sure you're secure though. As long as everything is secure.
So what you do me?
I can't do it. Remember say we got you covered, you know. You're always covered. You're not have to worry about it. That's why you have to make sure say we covered said way.
Right now, I'm not telling you the truth. I don't like it when you come and pull off right now. Right now, I feel paranoid. I don't like how you talk about me. Listen, I know say me used to do, but you don't have to come certain way off with certain things. I don't like how you're going right now. I don't like it.
Sorry about that, man. Worry yourself. I know that you worry yourself about certain things. So, you know, say a girl.
So,
like
give me 50,000 now.
With that alone.
I don't say money in my bag, you know.
No, watch out. If me make money buy your car, you really look for. Are you forgive me 50,000 right now?
50,000.
And tell me thanks.
When me there give me things, When me there give me things, what do you come afterwards?
My things.
So still give me your things.
See you. So you go on, man.
Anyways, the brother we just a come in the camp me a worry about, you know.
Yeah.
So here we go on. Him not there right now and me know say so forward. Me go pull through. Here?
Yeah, pull through.
Because me don't want to them a kind of mix ya.
Yeah, go on, man. Yeah, go on yourself. Now the dog can pull up at the time. You know, I'm not trying to make that money go see me by them black man.
Baga, you good?
Boy, yeah, I wonder how I see how planning time because you tell me say earlier they come check me still, you know.
Yeah, man, here I go now. So, I show you the ropes. You see this is how you call it. Millions. This is millions.
But this is the California.
This, thousands.
Thousands.
But this, millions. You get what I say? I show you how I go.
Millions.
So, you have a few people to call my man. So, what we do is make them know, say, you know what I go? You know what I go?
No, me here one of me look you them they are banging line what they and me hear him. He not talk like how we talk now. He speak is spooky.
Oh, you have to bang it with bravery. So you are going. If you get a phone now, you have to go actually talk to the person, convince them, say them actually win what they no win. So we can win. Whatever get to say.
No, give me explain
example,
more
alright,
to me.
alright,
yeah.
hold on. Because that's what I feel. Yes, good morning, Miss. Yeah, man, it's your number one. Oh my God, how are you feeling this morning? So the money should be deposited in the account. Yeah, that same one. But remember to talk to no one, okay? Yes. All right. $6,550. Don't forget the $50. $6,550, okay? Yes. And remember, my name is Rob. Okay. Thank you. You can't fast.
So you do it.
So you are one.
But you know that more I say to you, you know say more than glad, more than love if I could have give more $2,000.
No worry about the $2,000 money I forward. You understand me? I say?
No, but
Yeah.
no, but more than really want the $2,000 no, more than buy a new chip, put in a this.
No, man.
And buy credit.
Listen me, I said, let's work with me. See? So I give one one phone number to call. This is the one I want fresh one.
So I have to call it.
Fresh. You understand?
Aja. So if
she named Miss Jameson.
Miss Jameson.
Yeah, Miss Jameson.
Hello? Miss Jameson. Me call from Jamaica. Awa.
Pass it, mute. You can't say location.
No, but say no, me don't know about that. You have to explain to me. At first, me I do this something you go on like.
Well, actually, you say here. Man, I do certain things.
Alright,
yeah, listen.
What me fi say? Tell me for. Go on.
So you say, no, this is not Jamaica. This is Cuba. But, you know, we know Jamaican people. That's what I meant to say. You understand what I say?
Cuba.
And then correct.
But me don't know when we tell them say not Cuba.
I know, say, you are a lottery winner, and how do you feel?
In a Cuba?
In a Cuba. You come from Cuba. Just make sure you know, switch from Jamaica. Switch location.
Alright. What you press again? Yes, ma'am. I'm me again. No, I never Jamaica. Me if you say a Cuba. Yeah, ma'am. No, I tell you say you win more money. Yeah, but yeah, man. Yeah, going good though.
Yeah.
Yeah, and yeah. No, man, you don't have to tell nobody, man. What you say? Hang up.
Yeah. Alright, you are going. We have to take it on different level. See? Don't worry yourself. Everything going good, man. You're going good, man. See? Just the bone. Because my bridge is going to link me, you know. So, make them know, say, boy, you're rolling me certain way.
So, what you say me fi do?
No worry yourself.
Me going good.
Me I'll tell everything what I go on for a different
So
time.
that me...
Eh?
For a different...
Yeah, for a different time. Because I guess I know. Right now, what we need to
Why,
do
you really... No, I don't understand.
I'm going to show you what I go on.
What go on? No, tell me what I go on.
Me I give you a script, man. So, when we show you a script, you actually know say that you have to deal with.
See, they get all a client.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
I'm hearing you loud and clear.
Loud and clear. That's nice. All right. So, could you give me like 10 minutes and I'll call you right back?
That sounds like a plan.
That's it. So have a wonderful day, ma'am, and I'll talk to you in about 10 minutes. Okay, ma'am?
Sounds good.
Sounds good. Thank you so much. All right? Alrighty then.
Yeah.
But no, sir, like in your vein, man.
Listen,
you have to go teach me real way.
You talk to them, you can't make them know your language.
No, but you never tell me that.
That me I try sure.
Me hear them a twang, me hear them a something there, attack or something, but when they know say so deep, you have to carry your voice.
No, man, you have to twang. You have to make them know some boy, it's not Jamaican.
Hello?
There's no that is it. Say it again.
Hello?
That is it, brother. You have to make them know some.
Yo, we know that. We know that. Me wild you.
So here,
But watch out now.
later in the day, me send a script, you know, say boy, this about that's with the same tone of voice. You understand? Forward, forward, forward.
Yes, Debbie. Yes. Okay. Since you said the money that we told you to pay, you said you paid half today. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get a new account for you to deposit the rest of the money into today, alright? Okay, Debbie. Give me one moment. I'm gonna call you back. Alright? Bye bye. Yeah, man. You know what I say? You really say your food active along.
Eh?
Yeah, man. 10 ball.
10 ball.
You see me?
Yo, no soldier here.
Yeah.
I'm a family man.
Yeah.
I get him on man.
Hello.
Bad, you know?
Yes, yes.
Fully
yes.
West, man, you know?
What that?
Same boy.
Yes.
Yeah, man. So, hello? Hello?
Hold on, just a moment.
Hello.
Yes, yes.
Hello, yes. How are you doing today?
Thanks for calling me back.
Yes.
Yes,
This
you
is
got
the
an email
CEO.
from us today?
Everything is
No,
organized.
from the Kayla, the Kayla Foundation.
Okay, I'll call you back shortly, okay?
Yes.
Thank you so
Yes, it is a charity foundation and you won over here. Yes.
All right.
Yes, wonderful.
Yes, sir.
So yo, apa je fault fam?
No, say a country me forward from the MG.
Come I wonder how this man just bring in pan the village so that you know, and nobody else don't know your brother. How you believe in the name charge? Believe. Say your name charge. Somebody that most some country bush place I come from for sure. So I can sit down. You about know it?
No, really, you know, me G.
Yeah.
No, sir.
That's your function, so man. You want that script? You're not one of meds, man. So your name charge?
I know, so they call me Slippery though.
Slippery. They call that so. You're a thief.
No, sir, you know, sir, from me young and I grow, they call me, so I don't know why. Yeah, man.
You ever a thief head?
No, sir.
You're going.
It's a godly youth.
You're going. See, when my boy don't talk to that rasta man over there, sir. For my boy don't talk to yearling. Work here ground pan the shop as I swear made of.
When I shop.
Yeah man, cause we have a little ends man, you see me? Cause we not to each up a bar and some style in my bro, you see me? You have to know if you roll on the road. As a bang, alright?
You never say no.
So go to one place, get some high grade, go on all the vibes.
Me not too good in a scamming doing in general. Me just a learning. Me Rasta Bridge teach me.
At least you learn. At least you try. Alright? Yeah man, I'm afraid you try to get better, alright? But which parish you come from? Cause I come like you don't even know where you come from neither, you know.
That me try to tell you. That me want to tell you. Say me not too know exactly which part me come from certain way, but me know say a country one part where they
So
say a country.
how you this man a link up? How you the Rasta man a link up?
You know, man tell us me and my family.
Me went to listen to him, I say me up on the phone. If me hear more than ask you. Try me ask you just answer me, man, I go answer, but you may say still a fresh your brain. So you have phone.
You know, say Rasta give me one look bangalow.
Yeah, chip in it.
No, so I say go give me one money to buy one chip too, and some credit.
So you want bang it, man. Alright, just say tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
So we're good. Ready yourself for tomorrow.
I'll tell you too.
So you say one thing, you know about the guzo. Okay,
Yes.
if I take a wash off, you know.
No, sir, I don't believe in another one day.
No man, if I take a wash off, man, they say
Believe
powers
in a
they
lucky,
use.
believe in a
See powers in the ring, you don't believe in it. Know yourself, man. Everything will sort out, man. You go to myself, just get the thing, man. Put him on a charge, man, because fear boy have a account. Fear boy have a good link. Can clear your food for you. Fear boy have a part, man.
That's that.
Can clear food for you. So you don't have to fret up your brain. But you have to work for your one still, you see me? Because no man boy don't love man and my friend.
No, me don't say nothing still.
Right.
Rasta.
You have to do still.
Until you're ready, no
Get
Rasta.
back to what me that do, you know?
Yeah, me boss.
Work a day, work a night,
Rasta,
you know?
until you're ready.
Sun hot on my face, but my heart still cold. Family house full, but nobody really glad me home. Sister turn her back on me, say she tired of the shame and disgrace. Auntie say, hold your head up, my youth, but the past still call me name. I'm a scamming business. Feed with belly, pies and whistle. Scamming business. Money come fast, but freedom slow. We hustle together, but we fight like enemies. Same blood in our vein, yeah. Still chained by the scamming business. Daddy teach me the road them before me even learn right from wrong. Say son, this is how we survive, but survival turn to prison song. 5% of me sweat, yeah, while them live big and free. College fee due tomorrow, but jail cell wait for me. A scamming business. Feed with belly, pies and whistle. Scamming business. Money come fast, but freedom slow. We swear say we loyal till the law knock on the door. Same table we eat from is the same.
Good night.
Good night.
Oh boy. Alright, Sean. You know say me I wanna be loyal this customer, right? You know say no matter what, me always a support you. All when time your business do good on, and me always do there support you. And all if I little, me still a come to you. But what me want you to do for me is that the money not come through yet. So me did ask you if I can just give me fish them, but me go and season up them and prepare myself. But you go get the money, but the money me away pan it not come yet, but just give me fish them and me season up them and then me give you money afterwards. So just give me fish them.
Boy, that can't go on, you know. That can't go on still, you know, me not tell you no lie, you know. No matter how you loyalty and anything about money have to run before me can get the fish them. You understand?
Sean, me hear this, sir?
And I really you me are this saying because right now you know say it only for credit thing make your business a kind of low key, low good on, a good on, you see me? So watch out. Money have to come in before me can give my product them. You understand? And that's over there.
We mean at this side there. When time me always a support and I like say me always pay you late, you know. Me always give you money on time, you know. Something good on for me, you know. And me ask you for your favor and you can do this to me.
But as me I tell you, so I can't get fish then because I have to go in my savings right now for buy about goods. So right now some money out there for me, and if you come in, I can't get no fish right now because what I have right now, I just sell out and I cash me I deal with. You understand? I just so you think so.
Why you so ungrateful? Why you
I'm
so
not ungrateful, but you have to understand what I say, you understand? Remember me now? All of other people out there owe me right now, you know. And right now, my savings me are going to have to buy about goods.
That's how
You get what I say? So I can't credit no fish right now. No fish can't brother for run right now. I tell you the truth.
You see who you talk to?
Yeah, me know. Me see who me talk, but you know, I say you go. No credit, no credit, no credit. If you have a piece of dog, you can give away money worth. You understand? But
no, me not have it. But I could have just give me fish them until me get the money, me give you the money.
can't work with that right now. Right now my savings are good and I up if you go. Understand? Money me I deal with. They say that.
I can't, but you know, so that's why you can come better in a life.
I
And that's
credit in
why
a
you
cause me
always,
can't better
that's why,
the
no,
credit in, the credit
But
in,
me
you
know the
understand?
pan credit with you.
The credit
Me the
in and the
credit with
long
you.
pain can't work out right now. It can't work
Me
out for
ever
me.
owe you? Me never owe you.
Can't work
You
out. But when
can't
money
use
fi come in,
everybody
it take long. So me have to go in my savings fi go buy about goods, and that can't work out. You understand? So me can't credit you no fish for the weekend. You understand? So I have to go find another option. No crediting. Money me I deal with.
The same time me get my money, me I go one different fisherman.
I say go.
Done me done and wash me and clean.
Yeah man, I say go man. And money me I deal with. Money me I
You
deal
can't
with right
get back
now.
my money again, you
I
know.
want a little bit of fish in my little crane to my house right now. If I have to go up on the road, and money me I deal with. You understand?
But you could give me like say you're not gonna get your money, you're gonna get your money.
But it take long to come in, you not understand what I say.
But you get your money
understand?
by you know I mean I don't know if I talking.
Yeah man, the brother for run, man, the brother for run. I just say that.
But when Nick them man, like them man hold up my business in that. Good yeah, them get the pan a deal. What is that call me? Cause I call me. Cause
Yo, cause my whole man.
let me there no emotion. Thing active.
But my movement are still no, you can't call link me from the shop.
Up on your side.
Yeah man.
Alright.
Emergency.
No chatty. Me a fall.
Yeah,
Give me a minute there.
Alright.
Alright. So I got on cause girl. See her call me, you know. You say style now.
Kinda they stress out. Yeah, you remember saying tomorrow fish fry?
Tomorrow. Of course, remember say tomorrow, brother. Say me go do my head. Barber shop for getting night. You tell me say, get ready for that man. Shake it, come shake it tomorrow, man. I'm here.
I fishman for only and fish them. But I can have a small issue.
Oh, you know come? You know what I come?
No man, I come said you know.
So what kind of issue?
But somebody did figure some funds come give me, but you know, like the person gonna make me.
I'm on a shot. You said that again, man. That if you tell me, brother, oh gosh, man, no problem, no issue. So you say, what can I help you?
Alright, more 50 grand to borrow from you.
Alright.
You get it back as soon as possible. If I might be this evening or tomorrow after I party.
Alright, what is style? What is style then? You tell her now, you should just tell me that on the phone, I just walk with the bird. Come in at that family now. Come with that, it's my first go out in the yard and I still have to circle back, so I would have forgot, you see me?
Yeah, but remember saying now we are people who not talk with business by phone, we rather talk face to face.
Well, all that to still, regular day still. Make it up yourself.
Nah, kill up myself, but I'm glad to see you back in the place, you know, because I never had nobody else to talk about more than you.
Remember, sir, now we are trying the right, you know, because all if one thing lift up different than I know, because see, all man park up in car in a yard then and you want to fix, so. Boy, if me a job sitting you, I have to go fix it and should be out, you know? So, we have to go and work, you know? But no kill up yourself, if me don't tell you. If me not fall with it, come give make some boy come drop you off your foot, isn't it?
Alright, no problem.
So you say, that's how you link bud?
Yeah, that's all I'm going to link you about.
Okay.
But we say, yeah, you're bridging them forward.
But you know, say, any of my dad them for their foot, man. So you have to ask about that. You see me? Dog them active. All the rest of nigga there, although him a ground me think the boy active too, so I'm gonna make him know if he pull through and come brave same, you see me?
Yeah man, me know say him good, you know, cause we don't talk to film woman.
Alright, so you know that go.
Yeah, cause only me a depend on still, cause I don't really know people like that. I first time me I did this. So I just try a little thing. Cause me have a shop, I just say no, I just put on a little thing. Cause I know uno love support people. So I just man.
No kill up yourself, I don't tell you I pull through, man. But MS still, cause we have a couple things I'm gonna do. I don't tell them I'm gonna go barber shop. I'm going to go down on the clothes to go grab 2 suits of clothes. Same me, such a now. I have to go down the yard, go let off a thing with you. That's why I tell myself when I fall, I go send my boy. So I go to Sabam and go program up that differently. Okay, so that alone about it.
No, not alone. That's not alone.
No kill up yourself, man. Cause I have a piece of dog, I have a piece of dog. But nigga can't come in the same season. So I can't come here. I'm leaving check yet. No, what is it? You know what?
I want to boy in this country kind shop, man.
You trust me, the boy. Hey, me say, do me after.
No, man, you just give me a
man. You do me after, man. So you say, make your food reach, see?
Alright, later.
Alright, man, cause man, they are family, I help family. You hear that?
Bad bro.
What you going on?
No, just see yourself for link, man. I'm not see you.
But I did this with my own long bad man, so I make a chick go with my cousin there.
Where you there now? Where you there?
Where you there? Me come here, where you there?
Alright, me I there right on the corner, I go and build up a stiff. Me and Norma.
Well, don't I restaurant there, sir?
No, sir, me I sit down on the wall by crossroad.
Alright, no chat to me there, no chat.
Code up. That's what me are there. Come in, man. I know say how we are too long.
You're a joker, man.
I'm here, bro. I'm saying business take time.
Yeah,
business take time. I'm here, bro.
Can't you the waste, man?
Nothing like that, man. Nothing like
so
that.
Gonna...
Man, I respect my brother.
Active.
Fully active, man.
See things, so my birthday.
Bread live, man. I'm here, man.
Bad man, say
I run in on the bread like say, oh, you take me for? Like it? You not trust my badness? Yeah? Dark kick.
I just just how you say, so hands up my things, so no, me can't see money should run kind of.
It dark kick. Yeah, watch out. This is 50. You see it? So now look more now. Me line up the next 150 and make you get it.
Right.
You see it? Remember saying no? You did wait for me how long? And this alone, I could have got some booms and line up. You see what I say? So, by about later or tomorrow.
Right.
More like tomorrow.
Right.
You will get the rest of it.
Right.
I nothing for you worry about. You know something I
agree. You know.
I agree with food.
Your friend now, come say you and such man a link from what you know. See you know. Friend now take up film style and me go good man.
Oh, yeah, man. Remember say yo.
Come say what do you know?
I have to keep it peace.
I little scholar we work what do you know. Remember say you know. 30,000 scholar rise you know, but 10,000 make his call send a film account you know. 20,000 me have what they go for right now, you know, so. Them feel like them smart time me. This a time man.
You sure say send no, not sure?
Sure, so that them done this color that the new account everything, brother.
Oh, and you portal everything.
Me have me account, and they can't grow anything again. Then go see we rise in front of them and for watch me.
Yeah, I said them like it's not a team, bro. Remember say it's a team, you know.
Brother,
you can't make because certain look me that's a waste energy. I not even say waste energy. New energy.
You may say still, it's an idea. Pour me up if you go port me thing and I know the pan, you know. Go all one wash off, you know you pray. Me I go over them and go to wash off and I little more, you see me? But there's medicine man dog, and I little more link still dog.
Oh man, remember saying wash off a different something. Right now over junk come out and go. Don't make me boy up the put on when I go to talk with them. You see it? Yeah man.
Boy I mean
yeah man, that one there. Yeah, so when I get that one there.
No, I'm not telling you, I already know that I want to steal but funny can make it millions.
You know what they say. From other day, I disappear for 3 days and from I come back just make money. So.
How big you go?
Up to now, I have a broke base.
So you're not bossy pan the link?
Brother, I sacrifice and I see you or something. But them man, they not deal with it. Or okay. No man. You see now, irregular one them, they make. We are no man. Irregular one them, you know. The man, them have touch monkey.
No,
Have
man,
to touch one
man.
bag. You see my boy, you know. It's just that. You have to make a mad sacrifice. You see that?
Yeah, some people don't like the China dog. What you mean say that? Look how more reason about that. You go find if I'm going to wash up. I know I'm out for that. So I look how more reason about that.
Yeah, but you don't like say we have to start out business right.
No man.
Remember say we have to connect up upside.
Yeah man, know where yourself man. Yeah man, we still have a link up on the mum say but my channel link my cousin and the little thing but me have a piece of dog from the black way. Just lift it up and just go and breathe till the far dog. Come then tell the same dog I want 20 ball me up on the line.
Yes, so come back like I can't beat an idea.
Oh gosh man, but you know say fever I'm really drinking it dog. Fever why?
But I'm buckle I be put on the man. Remember saying watch it.
You may say must in a reach.
No man. No man. Me not got no money for my reach. But I say I rasta me I can check the money say if you give me a piece of dog I so come put thing and balance out. When you give me that me go say boom.
Yeah, can you still have piece of dog with you?
Eh.
But I wait till you forward. How much that 20,000 there? You know nothing about it.
What?
Done start.
How we connect up? Graphics.
Public! Yo! Forward, man, forward!
Ready to show?
Yeah, bro. Sun is hot still, you know.
Well, you're well prepared for your son, man. You know,
Yeah.
I work where I do with.
Yeah, me I tell you, say, me have to buy up some little something with the little money where you give me what the and something there.
And that's a cool, man.
Right now,
I'm going to tell you something about money. I talk about what I'm going to tell you, Mama said me soon for there. Don't move fancy. I watch up the dog, man, chop.
so look mongrel dog over there, so. Good job. Son, red till they do, Samanya. Lucky see a chewing go teach me game certain way, and I'm in a big off long time, you know, man, cause only thing you know make for me, my sunset, man, like my wobe, man, you know what, no wobe, man. Fi turn up in the sun, so. Show me one till look a piece of.
Yeah, baby, me soon forward, yeah? Soon forward.
Yeah, so you see I go on now.
Ready, man.
So, Mama go on, she alright?
Yeah, Mama good, man. Come Mama say, yo, look at Mama buy one car. You can't supposed to reach everything. You understand? Forward, man, forward, come here.
Church, keep leaving there.
Yeah, cause girl, how are you there? Yeah man, fall upon the front of us, Yeah man. Oh yeah man, same place there while ago. That's far now. Quick and fast, I'm not the rush.
Aye.
Every time I come on this lane, I'll be a vehicle. Oh, you know, so I think I call it up because I reach me and see the bus and pull up again. You see me?
Stop going so no man, you don't see people that come on me.
As me say, I read this a while ago. But
So you
pull
did
up,
have
man,
to
I
write
look
it
at my
on the
face.
receipt.
What?
You did have to write it on the envelopes, you have to see.
No, I remember, I must say I will do business, such and you understand, I try to share a piece of food and reach to me if I do that thing. So I just, you know? Yeah. I even write a 50 pound if I tell you the truth. That dog I can't come get. You see me? So I exact more tell you and see him. I can't even see that. But watch out now. I say I'm a cousin, man. You're good, man. You must have me up on the cell block, you never left you out, you know.
Never left out.
I'm buying a man, I best KFC when you're some boy are hungry, man. I have the best KFC, man. Phone never shot a credit, man. Never late pay a visit, man. I'm going to get the other thing there. It's this style. Such a man, right? So just do what you got to do. And if your money not turn back same time, I'm not pressure for pay, man. Anytime you have to do yourself. You see me? When you have to do you see me? Yeah, such a now. As me done tell you, if you got a barber shop around, because time is against us, you know, tomorrow party, I really want up and down tomorrow, you know. So you know that go. So what do I have to do, you see me? Alright, so I link up the dog in the car. Come with a bra 5 party come on. You see style?
Tomorrow.
She made time for share to me want to party forward.
Alright,
Yeah, man, but you know
yes,
it's time. Yes, no, man.
Thanks again, yeah.
Can't control. It's the greed in a man's heart, make him lose him soul. Them say money are the roots of all evil, but me never see money kill people. It's the love of money.
Yeah, me.
Bada!
Food jumping I play. How you go now?
I'm there, man. I hold it off. I know everything go.
Thing active.
I don't know. Slippery there. Slippery.
One slippery. Thing go fun. See, I did that with an idea, my dog.
Same old. You know, say I work around for work, but you want Nick there?
Nick, you know say I Nick me all day wait pan door.
What do you mean wait pan him, man? What you talk about? Yo, time is very important, brother. I don't understand what I'm going on.
I don't really know Nick there still like shoot. What's your name? You rush?
And that's a rush, but work, you know, it's people them have them time.
I say dog gonna do like next thing in the car, you know.
Next thing, what kind of next thing you talk about?
I say dog go in the farming, man. Say dog I say my farm some man sitting man say dog go there on the ground.
And that's the thing with you.
You see me?
You understand, say, you have a focus on one mission. And if this on a bread will make a breadwinner, you have to make this come first. So see me there now, me bring Slippery come here. I'm a call you.
Well, like I'm a call me, yes.
Answer your phone, brother.
Yeah, Father Nick. Watch you now. See you, yes, dog. Yeah, man. Rasta call link for you now. Alright.
Bad dog, where the bad dog?
Alright, he does have to give him 10 minutes. Yeah, man, time that, man. Yeah. Man say no rush, man say where the rush go. Same thing, man say where the rush go. So just give him like a time, man. You see me? Dog, pull up, man. I'm here, man. You know, drink come Slippery.
Everything good still. Everything good, man. Alright, here I go. We just have to wait until the forward. But boy, you build a decent, you build a decent vibes, man.
I'm trying to tell you, say, you don't see it. You don't make you hardly hot.
Hold on. Hello? Yeah, baby girl. But me just talk to you a while ago, you know what you're talking about?
It's mad.
Alright, since Nick no forward yet, me go forward. Me forward right now. Here? Bad me soon forward, here? Me soon forward, just stay a little bit. See? Yeah, I'm soon forward. Give me about 5-10 minutes.
Sorry, guy.
So as Nick forward, you shot me, here?
Yeah, man.
Me go put my hands and come up.
You're always in a rush, now we have dog.
Me forward, just one little emergency. See?
Alright, they are for it, man. You can't get a chair, so chair, they say no, my dog. You can't get a chair, man, because I'm not chill off it, man, turn up over me saying a Slippery. I'm not trust any of Slippery, you know, so I'm like you're a criminal, man. You say the name no fit in a dog. The name no fit in either, you know. Because if I'm today, bang on your name.
Yeah, that's sound like a real chopper name between you know.
One bang upon the gram, man. Bang on your name for today. No boy upon the gram, man. One bang. So I say bang, and I have a drink. Me alone can drink coffee from although it's so done still.
I know, so I'm not too drink though, my G.
Oh, watch out, man. I am Sweepstakes apart now. Have a drink, man. You're not born weed. See how that spliff that I come and build up a couple of spliff and stuff for myself.
You know, say do what? And me and grandmother say me always
so you try this. Me build this cliff for myself, brother. Look at me, I'm mad, man. I'm going to mad myself.
Never see I go mad.
Look at say, I see a weed that's a crush out for build and a weed me roll up and crazy and see everything up on the board. And see a cliff for you. Man, you come like a nerd. Yeah. All this man, see a light here for yourself too, man. Judge your youth. How rest I get some man from, man? I light up a weed, man. Come here if you can trust you know. That man tell you, brother, I'm get a cup, man. Get a cup and go and show it a drink, man. Have a drink, man. And free up yourself, youth. And a little bush place you grew up there, man. Welcome to the town. And maddest life I go live around here, my boy. You hear? Where boy Nick them, man, I know me can't see him pull a foot.
So, what kind of weed is something? A high grade or a low grade?
Yeah, man. Give me my script, man. Alright. See weed. crazy in here. Whistler. Help yourself.
But I don't know if you build weed.
Brother, me give you a cliff and me just build and you have problem. Me give you everything for build as cliff and you still have problem.
Give me back the one you give me first.
Tell you say that I really bush I come from for chill. Give me things, man. You say alone, brother. Seal. Yo, call the bartender for me then, dog. Go and get the next one. Cause you have a broke in the town, dog. Get them country style the whole time. You know, you have no woman down here. You have no woman down here. Rasta again and girl yet. Jaja girl. That's why I start lead a post. Jaja you. Alright, kill up yourself, man. Just go and go and bless cliff, man. Hold them, man. Take time, puffy, man.
Man, forward there.
Yeah, man. A high grade, you see it? Yeah, man. Welcome to US, yeah. You get back your lungs now. That is what the good coach does. You understand? But you may say do a father. Now one mission you go upon still, so. You want to take a wash off yet, my dog?
No, sir.
Well, if you go on to do a game run with my dog, well, run me and run we, you have to make sure your energy clear. So we go one place to confront this and make you fall and go make you see running, get a little clearance, wash off my dog and stay safe, see me? Because I see it you're a militant youth in a slippery weight, I mean banger. See it you're a militant youth in them, see it you're not afraid, you know. And my spirit kind of take your dog, catch you know? I'm done. Because I'm going to left them room and run us until little more. I done drink out of my dog, we just make a skate and a circle, you see me? Because fear boy must come back as if you know, you know. I know you're good at meds that thing, but fear boy must come back as if you know. Them man say 5 minutes, 5 minutes turn to 5 hours. You good all 5 days. Yeah. You see, like say weed, grab up your chest, wicked man. And the yard them look so up, dog.
No man, I'm a good man, just a go on.
One banger man. You may say still. Today name Saturday. Tomorrow Sunday. So Monday morning, 6 o'clock early, work start. You may tell her on a 6:30 and a 7 o'clock. What time you say?
6 o'clock.
Oh, at least a year's at work. Watch out now. So that means here for the office from 5:50. Cause I bet you heard it down late. So you may say no. You go differently though. I like your place.
Yeah, alright man. But you know, I walk around here so.
Alright, you may say that. Alright, watch out though. Say I fall upon the journey. No more than that, dog.
I don't know yet.
Bad man, you may say bad man. Go there, don't call link my back, dog. Me wait for you and kill her. Just do it fast, bad man. Me tell you, man. Me game, you say I want the man, make you feel like you man bring yourself. Make you feel like you man bring yourself, my friend. Watch out, man. You feel like you can't, nobody feel like say you just so have big house and so. That you have to start. Yeah, man. Remember me tell her, man. Alright, move and make it here.
What's your road?
Man, daddy powers out. Yeah, I'm telling man. I'm telling you, I believe in anything in you. The shikar can't lick me. That turn over before you touch me, bro. Oh. Such a now. You ain't buy incense time?
No?
Treasure God, boy. You
didn't tell me about that.
But at least, that can't have a process. I'm sure you go, I'm sure you think operator now, brother. Brother, watch out, you go and sell that, you have to go. I for turn around still in that, come out change and I'm gonna pre me in that.
I'm not busy with them, I never see.
I'm gonna pre me in that. That net. I don't already know not boy in that.
What a nice man.
Water deep, you know, Sweepstakes.
Where's that going?
Say water deep, you know.
What at least, man? At least the wrong thing I worry about now. I'm gonna show you how to do this thing now, Zane. You have a lighter? You have a lighter, pan? Get a lighter there. Get a lighter there for me.
And what color candle them here?
I'm gonna teach you a thing now. Zane, forward customer, brother. About your police.
No, chum said.
Brother, look for what me tell you, say look pan you.
Where you say?
Focus. Watch how go on now. First thing you have to do, Zane. Pay her for boy.
And give me peace and money for you and everything.
I'm going to plan to share this in you.
Yes.
Alright, so take her one there. Zane, wait, you're not going to do that yet.
No man, I'm not do it yet.
Watch yourself, go on. Look so. Alright, dash it up. See that?
See there.
They have to forward the night. They have to feel like that. Don't make it one here. Don't make it.
So what color first me see the color?
No, you listen, man. Sure. Man like a hono, man like a hono. This man like a hono. You lose out, man. Alright, Sita. Psalms 25. Sita. Unto thee, O Lord, do I lift up my soul. O God, I trust in thee. Let me not be ashamed. Let not my enemies jump over me. Amen. Praise be to God. Watch out now, boy.
This man is sick, man. Then if I saw you fear power, if I saw fear power.
Oh, Mommy, evening. Yeah, but yeah, money me I call about fish fry. What you mean by? Why every time me I keep my shop and me ask for your support, and never can give me a support yet in my life? Why? Why you always have to be like that? Sometimes I wonder if me pick me for true. Why you stay so? Me need the support, me need your help. Me never can ask for your help and get it. Me always have to go out in the world and ask other people for help. Me not ungrateful. Me know say 9 months I came for, but you still can't help your daughter. You know what? Later, me not gonna have this conversation with you. Cause it don't make no sense. Me not see where to go. You all done me credit and you not buy me none. Bye, mum. Bye. Who me can call? Can call Pinky, you know. She the only person me can know me can get it from right now. I call her. Hello? Evelyn. You know some Pinky? You not hear me? You hear me now? Yeah. Me no want to talk to you over phone. Me can see in person. Me will come up at your yard calling you. Alright, no problem. Girl, when me come here, we talk. Alright, mama.
You know, see, I love the style, like, it's happy, you know. So,
Girl, now me stress out.
oh God, I look stressed with you. So, where?
I can't believe, say, yesterday, I called my cousin. Because if you pay a fishman for fish them, I have to cancel the man yesterday and tell him to come today, this evening. I can't believe, say, I called my cousin and borrow $50,000 from my cousin. And, you know, so I lost the money. Girl, I lost the money right now, I'm stressed out. I don't know what to do.
Hold on. You tell me say you lost $50,000.
$50,000.
Oh dear.
That's why I'm not really like mix up with this scamming money and then look at something because me get to see they last. That means I never forget. But anyway.
Listen to me. Scamming money, yeah. It comes and it goes. But you don't have to blame for the scamming money to you lost $50,000. You understand? Sometimes all you need is just a wash off. All you need sometimes is just a wash off because sometimes, you know, sadness can follow back on you and you don't know.
Hey, back up. Don't ramp with me. Don't do them something there with me. I don't mix and mingle, you know. So no
So remember mix and mingle.
Wash off.
Eh? Then listen. Let me tell you something. I love money, make you take his scamming money. So you see
I love money.
Listen.
I borrow it because me gonna give you know somebody that washing money them before me use it. I'm laughing face I drop me on it.
Let's see the only thing money.
Me did all washing money before me use it, you know. Your piece me just did all using money, so.
Let's see the only thing money.
Wash it.
Why
that me did I go do.
Why not easy, you know? Where you going now? You can't lend us some money, you know. But bear in mind, go on about my money. I don't know, promise money. This I lend a hit, so me go want it back. You understand? So much you say you want?
50,000.
50,000. Let me see if
you get it back. If you don't get it back on the same day, you get it next morning early.
Let me see if I have enough. Go on, me so. You are gone. I have to go in for it and come back here.
No, that take long, you know, because I want to pay man.
You worry too much.
Me not worry, just have only for things for my brain.
You still not come. Bear in mind, you know, I want back my money. Alright.
Never owe your money.
Come on. What is that?
Make sure I say alright 50, you know. Me not even count it.
Look for my money. Look how much I get. Now share her. Alright, listen. The reason why I tell this in a girl is because some people don't understand, say, when I lend them even $1,000, then take it for granted, like you know, want back your 1,000. Look, let me tell you something now. Me is a principal girl now. So when me lend her something, me I look out back for my things. Remember the last time, you said lend me $1,000, and me lend me $1,000, America. And what you do? What you do? Oh, me did forget. Till I take 1 mile, go and drop asleep. So let me tell you something. You see, now is at the time I play with my money. So you see, when they say I want my money, me go want back my money.
So $1,000 you have been so far? $1,000?
When me have $1,000 be so far, you see it, you still not understand what me I say.
Me can't put $1,000 on this money
sometimes you
and
make
give
it bad for people because you overdo it. I mean, I like it. You overdo it. When people learn on things, you know if you give back people them things, and that be the talk about.
You know what I say, me should bother take nothing from you because me feel like I complain to you lend me something. Me give you back your money, you know, but I true me really want to go pay a fisherman. As me that give you back your money.
So, give me now. Give me back.
Take it.
Give me back.
Take it.
Give me back
take it now.
So give me back now.
Take it now.
But I better just go and do what you do. I just bear in mind I want my money.
Can't take
me watch it to see if I want money I take or give you money.
But nobody never see me pain.
You want my money?
Silent cries like falling rain. When me fall, nobody there around. No, me lost and me can't be found. Everything just turn upside down. Too late for care, no. Too late for fear, no. Me cry out loud, but no song.
I'm sure you are. See? You see? That car, I've been done today already. Brand spanking new. First, me buy one brand new car like this. And in a few name. See? Because you don't know a game go already. But I know you feel no way if me take a one drive out like now and then. You understand?
Babes, me not cut about. If you feel one way if you take one drive out of it. Remember, no babes, what for me, I fear, and what fear, for me.
Exactly.
So babes, me not like the little stuff.
No man, it's just that sometimes people have one tendency for, you know, switch. I mean, not say switch, but change. I just have a different motive. You know what I mean? I love you. You know, even yesterday when I come check you, I went to meet up with the nigga them and end up not do it because you say ropes and we come spend some time with you and all them something. And I really appreciate the fact that you're happy so I drop it off of the yard and all them something there. You understand? So, you know, I love you as I said before, I don't want nothing change it and I don't want to change. Because I know me a youth in the street where I do my thing. You understand what I say? And more you know say if me win, you win too. You get what I say, babe?
Yeah, babe, but
You're good, man. I tell you so.
I love you.
I love you more, man.
Me just really appreciate you get one brand new whip. And that's just, you know, me just feel like I'm that girl, like, you know, a princess treatment. Yeah, babe. I really appreciate you.
Baby, me not say you can't do what you want to, but don't drive fast. Don't follow them people and drive fast on the road. Yeah? I want your safety. If you touch it, no problem. Me fix it. But just take your time, baby. Remember, say you want to reach where you go. Anytime you touch the road. You understand me?
Yeah, me understand. Yeah, me understand.
Watch out. Let me call back again. Yeah, dog. Yeah, man, I'm forward, man. Yesterday, cancel yesterday. Everything good for yesterday. But, but you see my, slippers. It's a slipper because me forward back down in the shop and I see slippers. Okay. On my roll with Sweepstakes. Alright, no problem. Alright, no problem. Me forward now down there. See? Yeah, man. Oh, no. Alright. Me have one Starlink, so me just carry Starlink and just sort it out. See?
Yeah, B. So, you know, so my best friend just calling me a while ago too.
Calling you about?
You know, B, you know, me can't hide nothing for you.
Mm-hmm.
The fish fry. She never get the money for to buy the fish them, and she go borrow one money from somebody and she lost the whole of the money. As she borrowed the money, she lost the money. So I just lend her a piece of money and tell her, say, listen, I go want back your money. And that's it.
But when
and
it's a piece of money, you mean like how much money is that?
$50,000.
That means that we are going to get fish free. A free fish we are going to get them. Because that the girl you done tell me already now one long time say she's not a principal person, because so you mark people, you know. If you lend her $1,000 and then when you reach on her for her yard, she said when you reach on her yard, you get it back. And she reach on her yard, bed, sleep and all them things there, and still not give back your money for weeks and months. And she take $1,000 for granted. You feel say she go really see $50,000 and feel like if you get it back, maybe she'll give you a piece and tell us boy not go on there fish for it. But everything good. I your money.
Yeah, and what you have to understand, sometimes you have to make a girl deal with her own situation.
That's true. That's a mess. Your thing. Do you do.
Yeah.
Them don't show me already. Baby, just take a time drive home, yeah? I'm gonna love you. Just make sure you reach. When you reach, call me. I send my message. Can we go, a work time. Alright? Alright, baby.
What you doing? Later, I love you.
Love you, baby.
Mwah.
Auntie say, hold your head up, my youth, but the past still call me name. A scamming business. Feed with belly, pies and whistle. Scamming business. Money come fast, but
me tell you a boy bang, me tell you that you say if you do a game, my friend, a loyalty do it in my dog. So you say I want a cliff. I mean, build up a cliff for you, because you can't build them.
So I can always build weed, give me.
You can't build weed?
No, I can't build weed.
You don't want it to smoke?
I don't take it first time, I take it puff out, I want you give me a say.
Nothing there?
No.
You're mad out?
But it make my head hot me little bit.
Because high grade.
Oh.
Good kush.
Oh.
But me tell you, say do a dog, as me show you loyalty I code, Because fear boy, you know, like run money when money for run, Because you have one little brown in the like you can hold you now, man.
Wait, no.
You turn smoke a pro now.
What you say now?
No, I tell you, say fear boy. When money for running, like running money, brother. And you have one little brown in the way squeeze in head, so. As he make money, brown take it from him. So what me have to do what do
my boy?
Say,
who am my boy again?
Man come like, boy, me tell you, she in a register, but me have to understand, you're a bushman. You say, you're kind of like you're slow to something. But we don't match that. I say, what do you mean go pan if I go? Go do you right. Pause the thing. 2 days after that, you want 10,000 come tree and you don't know nothing about it and you're alone now, I'm going to give me a prefer you want 3,000 on tight.
Boy, I'm going to give thanks to you,
Because when you go pan the operation, you shoot out.
Then give thanks to you, because I well want to watch a man more
nobody know about
right
this,
now.
the Nick know about it.
No man, I don't say no. You and me a talk. Remember, I don't know
right.
Nick like that.
One slippery bang, I know.
More than saying, man. Only Sweepstakes me know.
Rasta. But I regard yes, the Rasta boy is not a loyal boy, so I don't prefer just cut him out and shut him out of the car. When the money reach in a fee, man, he never share good brother. And you see now this thing, my friend, you see if a man now go real to you in a money sharing business, you have to get rid of them. Because how fear part to go on and feminine to go on. You want to drive car me for the take taxi service and me they working in the office. You the benefit of what we they do. Because you know hot yet, Because I know where my teacher, I feel like you can left your own way. You don't know nothing, brother. Only thing them man do is clear food. You dig? Yeah, so I make you check you.
Oh, that's having me at one. I'm asking if I saw you going, can't answer me, only say yeah.
I see me even know them sitting there. You understand? For sure, so I'm not telling no lie out. But my priest is still, Zane. So what I'm going to put in the office in the dog. You see this time? Believe. See, same thing, brother. From morning, the rest of the boy if starting come give you a dog. I tell us a dog, what I'm going to do now, and I say, I can't do now what my friend.
My dog!
Jaja, you.
Go down, my brother.
Right, then reach for the ground, man.
She said, I can put him and say,
Yes,
no, so there, I said, do you?
Yes, yes, you Rasta boy. Because walk with one walk and cannot. You know
What
see?
you mean?
All no start it no reach.
Oh, that's finna reach?
Go ask your friend.
My friend.
Tell us a Rasta boy and a real name. See my tie show you. I'm you know, you say, as the money reach, you want to come grab it up and do a him, please.
I done say one thing already. I tell about the chain and the weak link.
Say him my weak link, you forget rid of him, brother.
I know,
For
bro.
cut him out of chain and many back. You see it? Remember saying no, God working at trees, you know, Trinity do it, you know, my friend. We are not care, we don't need force somebody for your role, brother.
Hear me, I say.
You dig?
Man, I beg for no man. Do what you feel like do. Cause I have an idea that a man they always a try to be real to me like him a try to prove something. You see his style? But he can't grow. My link said we.
That man they a joker, brother. Me tell you now. Oh, me see it. You see him be there. Have him brain tie up in one box, man. But I'm not really busy about that, daddy. I just my bread me dey different right now. A different thing me dey pan. So you say pray now, bang.
The thing you dey pan no me G, cause
so I try to share that on the same page,
yeah,
my
man.
friend.
Cause in a real life,
I wonder what they are chat to this man like that, dog.
No, man, no worry about that, man. I'm good, man. Bang a good, man. I want slippery bang in him, man. I'm good, man. I'm good, man.
Say banger.
yeah, me G.
Right now, I see a boy me look for see right now, dog. I work more dog. Right now, I'm leave liquor. Right, I'm gonna jinx him, dog. But me leave boy, me correct right now.
Think I
brother.
okay man and they are put in.
So now what? Me now what?
No, say what the Rasta give one bang and take it back.
He said,
Say me want more chain.
Ah, that banger they give me name, you know. Banger.
And he nah give me banger.
But Rasta himself want chain, so Rasta fair tell this man I say he want chain him. And Rasta himself can't chain him.
Right now, all my vibes cut.
You want to put in some work down?
Brother, right now, tomorrow I'm better there, man.
But watch out now. Tomorrow go better, yes, cause we have one account now. So we don't really need him to clear the food again.
Know yourself, man. Banger.
See?
Bang them, bang
You
them.
leave.
Alright, me G.
A money time, man.
Say G, they rate me, I know, you know.
I tell you that the first for your foot and do the right, you go good, man.
Watch out when you go teach me to do bang. Cause I want to learn good, you know. Cause only
Brother,
thing you tell me to
brother,
just chat to one.
Brother, if your boy and style the thing that they work right now. So I know so when I start, as a Starlink reach, I work, my friend. What you tell me say? Alright, I'm going to tell a boy that piece of my man and reach us to go to this Rasta boy that come and make you see it so when I run certain joke, dog. I'm here, man.
In real life.
I'm going to run more for a drink and but I'm going to put in some work still.
Yo. What? Eh?
Right, you're gone, you know.
What you mean gone? Where you talking about?
You're gone, man.
Eh? Gone where? Where you talking about, brother? Where man them there? You don't now work today again?
Tomorrow, if I see you tomorrow.
Man, them coming like a joke bit. Alright, everything good.
No, your head, man. I see that forward the funny work. Listen.
You start smoke now?
So if you man a smoke bad, man. So if you man a burn with dog, you just come and say, I want to still, take it still. I want to bad man for everything, man, you move, sir. So man, I guess we see the tell about, brother.
You want to move, brother?
Yo, bad man.
You make the thing sound loopy, brother. No work with the way I work. You want Nick there? Yo, me fall down and shop, I'm going to see you, brother. What happened?
Yo, it makes much nice pan the black for this. I load up the black so that.
Me say to see a bar, brother. Me soon fall.
You may do the man so bad, man.
If you understand, so you lose a place. If you understand who you're talking.
You know, something like you talk to me, I have something to tell you. Because I notice how when you go on like you want to man for hear that, you know.
What you talking about?
Daddy, remember saying that man, you see little brother, you have up there, take you for your phone and I spin your brain, daddy. I'll be a shot with money in a dog.
Shot with money?
I'll be a shot with money, my friend.
You listen to that man,
you tell man, say give money run 3 times and a 1 time food run across my.
Brother, me give you money, if me give you 30,000 US dollar, see? And you're supposed to get 10. Why problem? Eh?
Yo, so that shoes there. Remember the shoes there? The new shoes there I buy. I first step in on my friend car.
What mean shoes?
Because he may tell us that. I'm going to tell us, see, food business how you do. Or done it, brother.
What mean down the business? I me start the whole operation. The organization start through me. That's why I me have the account. I me get American Express and start to the business. What you talk about?
Alright, now go sitting then.
What?
Now go sitting there.
What?
How much clientele?
What do you mean so much clientele? I'm response for them.
You like a
I'm a secure certain. I'm a police the whole thing. What you talk about?
You like a vanilla card client them?
What do you mean vanilla?
How much clientele will make a direct deposit in an account where you're
the
responsible?
biggest one who clap it again?
And man,
I'm Nick clap it we are talking about.
Yo, fix things not separate. Look for you, eh? Yeah, man, you should have never tried thief man money you at that Sweepstakes cars. Oh no, yo. Banger. Think 2 more times now. Right, that's up.
Suppose me pregnant for your baby. This is what I really do me.
To subscribe is free. The subscribe yet.
Na 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 na. Me step out of jail yard. Sun hot on my face, but my heart still cold. Family house full, but nobody really glad me home. Sister turn her back on me, say she tired of the shame and disgrace. Auntie say, hold your head up, my youth, but the past still call me name. A scamming business, feed we belly, pies and whistle. Scamming business, money come fast, but freedom slow. We hustle together, but we fight like enemies. Same blood in our vein, yeah. Still chained by the scamming business. Daddy teach me the road them before me even learn right from wrong. Say son, this is how we survive, but survival turn to prison song. 5% of me sweat, yeah, while them live big and free. College fee due tomorrow, but jail cell wait for me. A scamming business, feed we belly, pies and we soul. Scamming business, money come fast, but freedom slow. We swear say we loyal till the law knock on the door. Same table we eat from is the same one. Mash we hope. How long we a go run? How much more blood for spill? Is it love or fear keep we close? Or hunger we break we will? Protect the youth them, keep them far from the flame. Cause the business where build the house can burn the whole family name. Scamming business is a blessing and a curse. Scamming business from the cradle to the earth. If we don't change the story now, history repeat again. Same jail, same tears, same pain, same scamming business.